Hi, hello to everyone. This is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, working as an associate professor in the Department of Information Technology at the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. So, in this video, just I'm going to tell about the consent certification problem. So, just a famous, we will call that a CSP problem in artificial intelligence. Okay, so first, just we will see. So, what is the definition? What is the concept? What is the exact meaning? Why we are going to use the constraints certification problem in artificial intelligence and different components in CSP problems. Okay, so what are the components? Especially we have the three components. So what are the components or major components are present in the CSP problem, and how it will be analyzed? How we are going to take some steps to solve your problem using the CSP concepts that we will see in the second one. The last one, example. Just I will give one example for betterment of understanding that CSP problem in artificial intelligence. So let us move. The first is the definition of CSP. So what is the CSP? The constraint certification problem. Okay, the constraint, the certification problem. So what is a constraint? The first, so if it is a constraint means we have some condition. So we have some condition to solve a particular problem. That condition should be sacrificed by the any method, any technological, any problems. Okay, so that condition should be accommodated. That condition should be applied for the particular problem as solving. Okay, so that was a constraint. Okay, so that's a problem. The particular condition should be sacrificed by the given problem. Okay, so that one is a constraint certification problem in artificial intelligence. So simply we will call as CSP. Okay, CSP, right? So what is that one? Especially what CSP is going to be tell in artificial intelligence means problems that must be solved within constraints. Okay, so this one is a important and main definition of a CSP. So problems that must be solved, okay, within the constraints. Okay, for example, just I'm going to get the variable to solve some problem means that variable should be v1, v2, v3, v4. Okay, so we should use only that four variable to solve the particular problem. If it is so, that one is a one type of constraints, right? Then another more problem, just we have to use always just we are using 0 to 9 for assigning some value for some variables or some constant, right? Here just we have to use only 1, 2, 3, 4. That four numbers only we have to use in the particular problem, the particular variables. Okay, so that one is a constraint. So problems that must be solved within the particular constraints. Clear, right? So this is a CSP problem. Okay, so that this problem or real world application in field like artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is actually that artificial intelligence? We have and the definition of the artificial intelligence is going to be tell about the searching some particular searching technique. We are using the two techniques, right? Especially in artificial intelligence, searching technique and problem solving, right? So in this one, this is consent certification problem, especially just we are going to use in searching concepts, searching technique. Okay, in artificial intelligence. So okay, so they contain a set of variables. Okay, whatever maybe just we are getting the variables or values or constants in your problem, just we are going to consider some set of variables, right? For example, just 8 versus a 4 queen problem, a pseudo. Okay, so there are all the problem we have some constraints, right? So in that the particular 4 queen problem, just we are using only 4 queen. Okay, queen 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is a particular variable. Okay, set of variables just we are going to use 8 bustles means the 8 bustles, 8 coins, 8 numbers just we are going to use to solve a problem. Okay, that here 8 is here some set of variables. Okay, so this one is here definition or the concept of CSP problem. Okay. The next one is the problem that can be expressed as a constraint satisfaction problem that are 8 queen versus this, for example. Okay, they given for example 8 queen problem. Just I said right, 8 queen problem. Soda go some 4 queen, some boolean satisfaction problem. Just every each and every all the concepts they have used the this constraint satisfaction problem concepts. Okay, some different domains, different variables, different constants they are going to be considered for solving a problem using this constraint satisfaction problem. Right there. So this was the concept of CSP. Okay, so the next we will move to the how to solve a CSP problem. Okay, that is how to solve a one particular CSP problem here. So already said just we have some set of variables v equal to v1, v2, v3 up to vn. Okay, so this one is here some set of variables just we are going to use. There is some constant just we will take x, y, z like this. Okay, for this value some domain. Okay, here just we 0 to 9 we have to use for assigning all the values of the particular constant or some particular variables. Okay, if it is so, then a Navy approach solve a CSP problem is generate and test. Okay, just we have to generate all the variables, all the values, all the constant values, right? And the particular values are suitable for the particular variable or not. Just we have to check. Okay, we have to test the particular value should be suitable for the particular variables. Okay, so this is a simple concept of solving a problem using CSP is generate and test, right? That's a method. Generate and test method. Simply we will call as CSP problem is also called as generate and test method. Okay, so each possible assignment the value of a variable is systematically generated and then tested to see if the satisfy all the constraints. Okay, while we are going to check some variable, we are going to assign some variables in your problem. Okay, so if you have some constraints, automatically that all the constraints are going to be up generated to the particular variable. Okay, so for example, just I am telling here what is exactly the CSP problem will be telling here. So this one is 4 into 4. Okay, here we are going to use 4 types of queen. Okay, so here 1, right? Just we are going to paste here 1. The first queen is the first row. So if it is so, in this and in this and here, we should not keep any another queen. Okay, so here just we are going to keep. Then here in this and in this we should not keep anything in that one. Okay, so here. So then here also we should not, here also we should not. Okay, so here also we should not. Right? Here also we should not. Then here. That fourth queen. Okay, so here just here also there is no queen. Here also there is no queen. Here also there is no queen. So it will crash at any cost. So like this, the 4 into 4 matrix, just we are going to arrange all the queens. Okay, so what is the constraint here? The all each queen should not cross. Okay, it should not meet and it should not cross the in that 4 into 4 matrix. Like this, just we are going to arrange all the queens in the 4 into 4 matrix using these CSP problems, right? So this is the concept of exact concept of that CSP problem. This way we are going to solve in a simple manner using CSP problem. Okay, generate and test concept. Okay, so the next one is different components. Okay, just in beginning itself I said we had different components, especially the 3 components we are going to use in the CSP problem to solve a given problem. Okay, so what is the first one is the variable. Okay, so variable is just we know exactly, just we are going to use some set of variables 1, 2, 3 up to VEN, right? So the things that need to be determine the variable value. Okay, so object must be have use a value assigned automatically. Okay, here I said if you are assigning, if you are declaring a variable in a particular problem, the machine will generate automatically all the variable values. Okay, so that one is a boolean or integer or a categorical variable. Okay, so it is called as that the CSP, that boolean or integer or categorical variable. Like this, the value will be assigned to all the variables in the CSP problem. Okay, the variable is one. Next one is the domain. Okay, so what is the domain? Okay, here just we are going to give the constraints to the value of a particular problems. Okay, so for example, they given here the pseudocode. Okay, pseudocode means just we are going to use only 1 to 9. Okay, only 1 to 9. The numbers 1 to 9 only, just we have to use that particular numbers for as a variable in to solve a problem. Okay, so that is your domain. Just what is the specific constraints they are going to apply in the particular problem, that is your domain. Okay, so the next one is constraints. Okay, here this what is the constraint, the guidelines. Okay, so that also we are going to tell the constraint as a guidelines. Okay, condition. Okay, based on the condition, just we are going to solve any kind of problems, right? So guidelines that control how variables related to one another as known as a constraint. Okay, so the constraint is CSP define the range of the possible value for variables, the different variables, right? So these are three set of components that we are going to use to solve a given problem in artificial intelligence medicine. The first one is variable, and the second one is the domain, the third one is a constraints, right? The next one is, so what is the specific algorithm just we are going to use in the CSP problem in artificial intelligence? So we have here so many algorithms, right? In the best first search or depth first search, in the informed search or uninformed search, we have here so many algorithms we are going to use based on your problems. Okay, so here's algorithm is nothing but some concepts, some specific concepts we are going to use in the based on the given problem. Okay, so here just everyone knows that the backtracking algorithm. Okay, so what is the backtracking algorithm? Just we are using that backtracking concept. Just we will calculating the cost or path in the given trees. Okay, so the same thing is we are going to use some backtracking algorithm also in CSP problems. Okay, so here the backtracking algorithm is a depth first search algorithm. Okay, so what is search algorithm? It is one type of the search algorithm. Okay, in the beginning itself I said the CSP is based on purely based on the searching techniques. Okay, so in the depth of search algorithm, that methodology investigation that search a space potential solution up until a solution is discovered. Okay, so until otherwise just provide the solution, it will be used. Okay, so that is a backtracking algorithm. This will go to move to the child node to the root node or parent node. Just we will use the calculating the minimum cost between the nodes. So we will use the backtracking method, right? So that one is here the backtracking algorithm. Okay, the next one is a forward checking algorithm. Okay, so from the given tree, okay, just we are going to find out any key element or particular element present in the tree or not. Just we are going to use the forward checking algorithm. Okay, the given element are present in the, or which position the given element are present in the given tree or given graph. That time just we are going to use the forward checking algorithm. Okay, so that is a variation of the backtracking algorithm that controls of the search space using the type of a local consistency. Okay, so based on the given graph, either it is a directed graph or undirected graph, just we are going to use this forward checking algorithm to check a particular element present over the given tree or not. Okay, so this one is a forward checking algorithm. So third one is propagation constraints. Okay, so propagation is the other thing, but just we are going to use some different variables in our yeah. Okay, so different variables that we are going to use in our problem. Okay, so the variable the value are going to be automatically generated, right, by the artificial intelligence machines. Okay, so which based on this propagation constraints only. The class that uses the local consistency and inference. Okay, so because of this propagation constraints only, just we are going to generate all the values of the given variables. So based on the propagation constraints, we are going to assign the artificial intelligence machine automatically assign all the values for the given variables, right, locally. Okay, so this one is yes, are different algorithms. The three main algorithms, not in the algorithm, main concepts is we are going to apply while you are using that CSP problem in for a given problem in artificial intelligence machines. Clear? Okay, so next one, just we will see one example for the CSP problem. Just if you saw how the constraints. Okay, for each and every variable, just we are going to consider one set of variables. For that variables, the machine will generate all the values. Okay, so that should be some match or not. Just we will check. Okay, so first example is send more money. Just we send more money. Okay, here just we are going to allocate some values, right? How it will be for D. Just here, just we are going to assign the or otherwise the machine, artificial machine will generate all the values for this given variables of the alphabetic. The artificial intelligence machine will assign the value for the given variables based on this condition. Okay, so this one is a constraint 0 to 9. It should be considered and assign the value for the each and every percent variables. Okay, for example, for D, it's not just we are going to assign the value for D as 1, right? So the next one, just E. After that, E. Okay, for E, this we are going to assign 2. Okay, so whatever may be, wherever the E is available, just we are going to consider only 2. Okay, hereafter, okay, for all remaining alphabetic, we should not use the 2 value. Okay, then here also 2, here also 2, right? Then we have to add both the value because we have to going to use the add operator, right? Then 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So for y, the 3 value is assigned. Okay, so is constant. Just we are going to fix it. This one y value is 3. It is a fixed. Okay, then next we have to move to the n. So here just defaultly just we are going to assign the value for n is 7. Okay, so here the e value already we have the e value 2. So along with the 7, okay, what we have to add, it should be come the 2, right? Just we have to check. Okay, so here just if we want to put the value for 5 into the r. Okay, so 7 plus 5 12. Okay, so 2 came plus the remainder 1. Clear? So already we have assigned the value for en, right? So here remainder is 1 plus 2 is already value for e. Okay, so 3. So 3 plus 7 means we have to assign the value for this one is 4. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 came. So here also automatically it will be assigned the value for O for 4. Okay, then just we have to, then again we have to assign some values for S and M. Okay, just we have to already the value of O is assigned 4. So here we are going to assign 8 plus 4 is already is there. Okay, 6, right? Then M value automatically here 6. So 8 plus 6 14. Remainder is 1, right? So the remainder is 1. Okay, there is no values. We came for end of the variables. Okay, but already is m value is assigned as 6, right? So this one is not suitable for the, it is not constraints, it is not suitable for the constraint certification problem, right? Why? Because it means here this it should be matched. Okay, this one should be assigned to the this m, but already the m value is assigned as 6. Okay, remaining 5 should be there. Okay, so for there is no variable to assign that 5 value of 5 to any variables. Okay, so this statement is not suitable for the consent. It is not come under the consent certification problem. Okay, so then I will tell you another more example. Okay, so 40, then 10, 10. Okay, total 60. So here we have to add operator, right? Then here just we are going to check what the values just we are going to assign for the this y6, right? Then already we have assigned the value y6, right? 6. Then it is 0 0. Okay, 6 plus 0 0 plus 6 plus 0 0 6 6 plus, again 6 plus 0 6. So the y value is 6. Okay, so like this just we are going to take as in the value. Okay, the next one is, one second. Just we have to write equal. Okay, so the next one just t value just we are going to assign here. This is already over, so just we say 8 we are going to assign here. Okay, so if it is 8, here also 8 for e. If we add all the t and e value, it should become 8. Okay, so 5, here also 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18. So 18 plus 18 means 8 is here, the t values came, then again remainder is 1. Okay, so already here also the 8 is the value of all the t. Okay, so now, so what value just we are going to assign for the or. Okay, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 17, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 8 plus 8 16 20 21. So x value is 1, so remainder is 2, right? So remainder is 2. Okay, now just defaultly just we are going to, for or just we are going to assign the value 7, right? 7 means 6 8 8 16 16 23 24. X value now is 4 20. Remember 2 is remainder. Okay, now just we are going to assign the value for O is 9. Okay, so now 9 plus 2 11, I is 1, then again F is remainder is 1. Okay, so already just we I know we don't have a value of S. Okay, so now just we are going to assign the value for F. Okay, 1 is already assigned, 2 is not assigned, 3 is not assigned. So here if it is for F2 means, okay, we will add 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So we came the end of the statement. Okay, now just we will check. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so all the 10 variables, so 10 values just we have. Okay, so for 0, what is the value? N. Okay, or 1 I, 2 F, 3 S, 4 X, 5 E, 6 Y, 7 R, 8 9O. Okay, so here what are the constraint? Just we have to use 0 to 9 values or all the values to the into the variables, right? So in this statement, in this statement, the seed is not suitable. Okay, because there is no variable for assigning the remaining values. Okay, so for in this statement, it is purely it will be suitable for the constraint satisfaction problem, because here we have assigned all the values for the given variables, right? In the problem statement, it is will satisfy the constraint satisfaction problem, right? So I hope just everyone is understood this one. Okay, so if you having any doubt, just post in the comment box, just I will clarify. Okay, so this is all the textbook. This textbook just I will using to check all the values. So these are the different reference books, the websites. Just you can go through if you have any doubts. Okay, so you will see the different concepts by the next video. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.